Sitting on the seaside white cloud, watching full moon, waiting for something which happen really soon.